Blackstone Betty. Obviously, Bruce Mitchell, everybody. Coming all the way from the UK, James Brady. Stephanie T, everyone. Todd Toga and Jeremy Felici.
I am very secretive about having a boyfriend.
What is the one thing the public has no clue about?
Well, I don't have a boyfriend.
I have an extensive collection of action figures, basically 40-year-old virgin. That's me.
That's the one food you will not eat.
Pork brains on me.
I'd try anything once.
If I had a chance to cook for one movie star, rock star, or famous person, who would it be?
Julia Child. Dave Grohl.
John Candy?
Bruce Mitchell.
That's fuel. What in the world is that? I'm sorry, I'm really trying hard to listen to questions.
Your ears are sweating.
Thank you.
Hate it, won't eat it, can't consume it, gag it up. I'll never go to sushi.
I like 90s gangster rap music.
That one wasn't as hot. 2 and 9 were the hottest.
I also friend-zoned my husband for 15 years.
The mistakes happen, but people are still watching them. And
I don't know about Scott. He was supposed to send me some stuff about 6 years ago. I'm still waiting.
Love olive oil, hate olives.
I don't know where the top of the mountain peak is. It's climbing.
Yeah, let's move it on, guys.
I've done a few TV programs back in the UK, and one of which was Blind Date. Yeah, so I did that.
Thumbs.
Hussy, I said 5 earlier. It's here. We found it. What?
I like tourist traps. People always say, don't go there, it's a tourist trap. I'm like, oh, I'm going.
These are your Griddle pros, everybody. And we're never gonna do this again. This is all.